Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 14th of August 2014. As you can see, the trade for the day is called Mr. Price. The action will be a short, trading from a high to a low. The last traded price of this company was 198.30. The objective is, if it breaks this dotted blue line here, it's 198.25. The share could have a possibility to go down to the green line, and that target level is 192.09. If it wants to break up and it goes up, please use the stop loss level of 201.33. Current open trades, African Rainbow Minerals and Vodacom. Looking at the top 40 index on the newsletter, the blue line is the index movement, still trading above the 20-day moving average and the 5-day moving average after it came down. Look at the broad shares on the market, starting with the US market, the Dow Jones. Now, here's the Dow Jones. They were testing this level of 16,577 points on previous sessions, and Wednesday evening they traded 91 points up, going to the level close to 16,651 points. It's close to this level here. So they've moved up, and currently their futures about 18 points down. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, still trading between the green and the purple line on a downward cycle, but it needs to break the 16,710 points to say there's an opportunity for this index to go further higher in the short term. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares. A bit of momentum yesterday on the close, but started to pick up again later on. Currently still in the downward cycle here between the green and the purple Bollinger Bands, closed off the level of 46,114 points. As you can see here, high, low, lower, high. There's a new high, higher than that high. So the question is, can you break the Bollinger Band and physically go higher, or bounce from it and start coming down? So the next two sessions, or next 2 days, we need to track this closely, especially for Thursday and Friday. Let's go and look at a few shares quickly here. Here's Shoprite, struggling to get this momentum upwards and break the 160 Rand level in the short term, currently trading at 157 Rand. Now trading between the green and the purple Bollinger Bands at this moment, and you can see indications are quite low as well. So we need to see what the format is going to be there. Mr. Price, still in the sideways pattern. Low points here is 196.38, currently trading at 198 Rand. If this one needs to go high, it needs to break this 200 Rand level to see it going back to the 207 Rand levels, but support is still at 196. Willies. Now Willies is still currently trading on 79 Rand 74 in a bit of a sideways pattern here, trading between the green and the purple Bollinger Bands. Needs to break this 81 Rand to see a bit of recovering happening back to the 83.54 levels, but it seems to be in a sideways pattern here as well. We can actually go look at Truworths, also in a sideways pattern, starting to fall a bit down here, but it's got a lot of support here at 70 Rand and currently trading at 71.88. Standard Bank is bringing out the results today, so we can actually go and see later on how it will affect the share. Keep a close eye. As you can see, current trading range is about 144 to 146, currently trading at 145.86, going to a sideways pattern. Barclays Bank, also in a sideways pattern here, testing this low of 166.65, currently trading at 168.10. Current high here on the two tops here is about 170. A lot of sideways happening here as well. That shows you uncertainty. Let's go and look at MTN. Now MTN, after results, dividend payments, business is doing good, did rise, test the previous highs close to the 235 levels, currently trading at 234.54 at this moment. Seems to be on the top there on the Bollinger Bands. Big question is, can you do something similar like this, break it down and come down, or would you just continue to go in the sideways pattern? Keep a close eye. Vodacom still in a sideways pattern. 124.65 is the low, 127.43 is the high, in a sideways pattern, trading between the purple and the red Bollinger Band at this moment confirming the sideways. Need to see if it can break this 127 and go physically a bit higher. Need to wait on the results as well. Imperial still testing the 200, came a bit down, 197.99. At any time, big support on 196. Need to see where the channel will take us in the short term as well. Keep a close eye on that one. Kumba. Now, Kumba did break the green line we spoke about. Got at the support, broke it down, went to 351. Currently at 344 levels, trading at 342. Need to see if there's going to be a bounce up here very soon on this specific trade. Looking at your indicators, came down, still coming down. No confirmation of a break up in the short term. Need to see on live charts if you're going to see it happen very soon. You could most probably see bargain hunters coming in very soon on this specific trade. Discovery also trading in the sideways pattern here between almost here 95, 97 at this stage. No big movements on this specific trade in the short term. Enjoy your trading.